Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and welcome to our channel. Today we have another build from Fanhome. This is the Iron Man Pack 20. We are doing issue 75 all the way to 78. I'm not sure, I don't believe this is available on their website. It might be available in the future. So you can see we are doing a shoulder plate. So that shouldn't be too difficult. So we're going to get on with that in just a second. So this is the parts that comes in the issue. We just need to flip that over and flip that over. And then line that up. Let's line that up carefully. That should be something like that. With that we need a RP screw. It is a very long screw, so let's hope that's lined up. So I'm going to get this screwed in place. So that's screwed in place, and that's not too loose and not too stiff, so that's pretty good. So we're going to need now our chest. So this is our chest. We're going to need this part, which I didn't put in. So before we do that, let's just make sure it goes this way around. Let's line that up and push through. So just like that. And then you can see there's a groove here. It just pushes through. Like so. And we're gonna need an EM screw. So let's just screw this in place. So that's now screwed in place. So that's the way it's looking. So we're getting there. So that's the end of this issue. So this is issue 76. So I believe, okay, I thought so. It's the opposite side now. So we're going to get on with that. So again, these are our parts. And it's the opposite side like what we was doing. So just like this. Let's line that up. So it's telling us to do it this way up, so we don't confuse things. Again, it is our RP screw. Let's just go through this. So that's now in place. Then this little part that we need to push in place. Get that the correct way up. So like that. Now we need our chest plate again. And again, just push this through. And a EM screw. Just line that up carefully. You just need to put it. Let me just try to get that so you could see. It just needs to be lined up carefully. And then it goes straight in. So that's both of them now screwed in place. And that's looking really good. I like that. So that's the end of our issue. So this is issue 77. This one doesn't look like much at all, which is just putting two parts together. Okay, it is our arm base. So you can see it connects together. I did have a mod for this, but that will be fitted in due course. So let's get on with that one. These are our parts. So they only can get in one position. So if you try it that way, you can see it will go. So just line these up. With that, we need 2 LP screws, and those are the outside, you can see. And let's just get 2 in place. That's both of them in place, and that is the end of our issue. I wish I could do more, but believe me, there will be a lot more difficult issues on the way. So let's get on with the next one. And this is issue 78. It is our last issue in the pack. So we're just building onto the part we just put together, and doesn't look like much at all in this issue, but like I said, it will get more difficult on the way. So let's get on with this one. So like I said, we are building onto what we just put together. You can see a little groove just there, and again another one there. So that needs to be pushed in place like that, so it doesn't go anywhere, it locks in place. And we're going to need to put a screw through that, and that is a QP screw. So that's now screwed in place. We had a cap that looks like that, that just drops in there like that. So we're going to leave that there. Now we have this ball joint that just, I believe, goes like that. And you can see 1, 2, 3, and you can see there's a middle, like a peg there. That just needs to be placed like that. Gives that bit of tension that it might need. Okay, let's try. We're gonna need 3 LP screws. So we're gonna just get this all lined up. So I'm gonna screw mines until one by one until it gets in place. So I did screw it down. There is no seam. That is quite tight. I guess it has to be quite tight. So we'll see how that goes. So with that in mind, that's now finished. Also, our chest has been, with these wings being fitted. So I would like to say thank you once again for watching. If you could do us a big favor, like always, if you could hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up, that would be helping us greatly. And look forward to seeing you all next time. Thanks a lot again. Goodbye for now.